Model 2. Effective prospecting technique. Identify your ideal lead by creating a customer persona, IDC. Define typical customer characteristic, age, budget, expectation, etc. Identify their specific needs and pain point. Use data to target the right segment. Make the most of Mariage.io business statistics and insights. Analyze market trends to refine your targeting. 2. The prospecting channels. Digital prospecting. You can use social network today, is a must also, to reach your target audience. Implement an effective email marketing strategy. Optimize your profile and presence on Mariage.io business. Also physical prospecting. You can attend local trade shows, for example, and events to meet leads. Establish partnership with the other service provider to expand your network. 3. You can structure also your approach to develop a call of contract script. Preparing a clear, impactful pitch that you can say to your clients. Also adapt your pitch to your leads with a key to grabbing attention in the first few seconds. You can use also a powerful hook, highlights and immediate benefits for the customers. 4. A practical exercise. Create a list of the local leads. Define a personalized plan of approach for each segment. 5. Mariage.io business added value. You can use an instant messaging to start conversation with prospect directly on the platform. Also, a huge interesting messaging chat inside. Quickly contact couples in active search. You can also centralize your exchange for a better follow-up. Access to the biggest database of the couples around the world. Looking for a service provider. Also identify opportunities in real time. Set up a targeted communications campaign inside.